'Cause it's super important, right? Like that's a super critical
It,
inflection point for a lot of like students is like that junior year internship. It's like a lot of them are like, if I don't get that investment banking job, life is over.
yeah,
Right. But like,
and
yeah.
it's and it definitely helps to the more you can optimize for your interests sooner, the better suited you're going to be to pursue those interests. There's always like a trade-off, right? So if you're someone who knows you want to do investment banking, like the sooner you can angle towards that, the better off you're going to be, right? I think in my case, with that, just I guess with that recruiting process, I was enjoying those conversations with the firms, and with that firm in particular, I was really impressed by the people I was meeting and
Mm.
excited about the learning opportunity. I think that's why I decided to pursue it. And then I think in terms of internships and full-time opportunities like senior year, thinking about how that balance works, I think my experience was and so I came out of that, like I said, wanting to do more direct public markets stuff, and so I didn't return to the firm after the internship, and like kind of threw my hat in the ring for full-time recruiting that fall of senior year. And it's definitely a little bit intimidating because you're going in, like a lot of kids are going in with the guardrails on, in a sense. It's like they've got their internship figured out, they got their job lined up, they're kind of just going to hang out senior year and do their thesis, enjoy life or whatever. For me, it was like I was really like pounding the pavement that fall of my senior year to get in front of firms and to like have conversations with different alumni, like really doing a lot of networking.
So it
To then,
sounds like after that summer, something switched, something
yeah,
flipped of like, wait a second, I'm graduating in the year. And
it was, and it wasn't, I think it was more that I had realized that this is more interesting to me than I thought it was going to be.